New developments in the effort to remove St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner from office. A hearing on the case was canceled today, and there will likely be more delays because Gardner has requested a new judge. But before that judge stepped aside, he issued a ruling about an hour ago determining that there is enough evidence for Kim Gardner to go to trial for neglecting her duties. Christine Byers has been following the latest developments in this case, and she joins us live downtown. Christine.
Mike, in his final act as the judge on this case, Judge John Torbitzky gave the Missouri Attorney General's office a win. He said almost all of the counts against Kim Gardner fit the criteria of the law to take her to trial. And on those counts that he did dismiss, he says the Attorney General can refile them if he finds more evidence. In a 77-page filing, Missouri Attorney General Andrew Bailey says Kim Gardner's remarks about the police union.
And before I was elected, I had a meeting with the police union, and they told me, we will let you be in this office if you make sure you never hold any police officer accountable.
About her time as an assistant circuit attorney.
If you think that office wasn't controlled by the police department, they came in there and told you what to do, how to do it, who to charge, what to charge, and what to make the case.
And about how her office is underfunded.
I'm more than a leader. I've been leading an organization that has been purposely disinvested from day one.
All make the state's request for documents related to those claims relevant. Bailey says Gardner's office hasn't produced a single document during the 2 months since the lawsuit seeking to remove her was filed. But the judge who will rule on the motions remains unclear. Saturday, Gardner's legal team asked for a new judge. Judge John Torbitzky canceled a status hearing Tuesday. St. Louis University School of Law expert Anders Walker says it's a legal strategy Gardner might be using to get a more conservative judge.
A more conservative judge might be more likely to recommend that she be removed. That would be more likely to go to the Supreme Court. And then the show will begin.
Walker says Gardner's remarks were telling.
I don't think Gardner really plans to comply with any of these demands. I think she wants a showdown.
Now, Gardner's office did file that request for a new judge on Saturday, as we mentioned, but the Missouri Attorney General's office has argued there is precedent showing that a judge can rule on motions before him before he's dismissed. Judge Torbitzky should be pretty familiar with that ruling. He's the one that wrote it. Live outside the courthouse in downtown St. Louis, Christine Byers, 5 on your side.